Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to add universal tickets to Apple Wallet. Are you having trouble adding your universal tickets to Apple Wallet? Don't worry, in this video we will help you find a solution for it. As you all know, you can't add any external cards or tickets other than debit card or credit card, transit card, driver's license or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet. To add your universal tickets, just follow these easy steps. Go to App Store and search for Card Manager. Install the app. After installing, open the app. You will be able to see 4 menus named Gift, Loyalty, Membership and All. Click on All and press Add Card. Select Other. Choose the option which says Event Ticket. Now, you can scan your universal ticket or enter your details manually. After doing this, click on Add to Apple Wallet. Once you have done this, your ticket will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet.